Welcome back to Bruce Workshop. Before I start the video, I want you to guess what is this and what material it's made of. This is one of my favorite items on my tech stock. If you watch my videos before, you know I'm working a lot with 3D printing, so you might guess this is 3D printing. Yes, you're correct. This is 3D printed object. It's a phone stand that able to download from Thingiverse. The models 3 years ago. I tried to find the link and put it here. You can click it if you want to download it as well. This is very solid models. I printed it because this is my very first print. I think second print. My first print is the Raspberry Pi case, which bring me to 3D printing. And the second print is this phone case, because that time I buy a new phone and I want to use it not on my table. But as you know, this is 3 years ago. The printed is 3 years ago. It is not look like this originally. Now look like a stone texture. It's very nice, touching it with, so feel really great. But look at the bottom. This is the actual material, white color PLA inside. And after 3 years, it's still very solid. No like foam changing or whatever. And this is a solid white and PLA, and you can see there is a little bit silver color. I was spray paint in silver, but I don't like the result. I sand it off, then I spray in red. I still not really happy with it, but I using in red. It's cost quite a long, I think 1 year. And early of this year, I found a spray paint that able to spray a stone texture on it. This is the game changer. It makes this thing look not like 3D printing anymore. After spray on it, it look like a stone. Very nice stone and gut. But of course, you still can hear the plastic sound. But because of it heavy and solid, and I like the stone texture, it won't hurt my phone. It don't have the sharp corner. I'll sand it off a little bit. Now it's very smooth. And the stones, all these stones actually made by, I think it's a small little plastic thing. But after dry, they harden and actually got a little bit soft, so actually can protect the phone better. Of course, if you use case, it doesn't matter anymore. But actually, I still got some space. It's not paint beautiful enough. They actually drop off over time, and like after 1 year of this paint. Oh, by the way, if you want this kind of paint, you can try to search it from Ace Hardware Shop in Malaysia. I found it there. I tried to find something online. If there is, I put a link here or below. I'm not sure how you think about this model, but I think this is awesome, and this is PLA as well. You don't necessarily need a ABS or very strong material for indoor use. And this already did 3 years. You can search back to my Instagram. If you hashtag 1M3DP, you will find all my workshop printing thing. This is one of the very earliest stage. I'm not remember I did post or not. And my first print actually is cracked here. That got like warps and crack out here. So I am actually using filler to fill them in and paint it back. That's why I got some odds filled here, but after that, it's still working. Even that got a little bit crack here, but it's still working because it's a stand. What I'm not talking about, just a review for my very first print on this thing. 3 years already. Oh, actually it's 4 years already. In 3D printing for 4 years.
Guys, I'm not sure what to show you about 3D printing. There's a lot of people making videos out there already, but if you got any question about 3D printing, feel free to ask in the message below. If I got access to the answer, we'll make a video for you, or straight to answer you direct in the videos. Okay, please subscribe my channel if you haven't, and if you found that this video gives you some ideas or enlighten you, give me a thumb up. See you next video.